Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video I am going to show you how to remove your Gmail or Google account from another device. So make sure to watch this full video until the end. So let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner and make sure you are signed into the correct Google account. If not, switch the account you want to manage. After that, tap on your profile icon again. Now you are taken to the Google account setting page. From here, go to Security tab. Scroll down until find the option called Manage All Device. After finding, tap on it. Here you will see the list of all devices where your logged Google account is currently signed in. Select the device you want to remove and then tap on Sign Out. Confirm your action and your Google account will be successfully removed from that device. And that's it. So this is how you can easily remove your Google account from another device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.